Hello, today we will guide you through how to cancel a Wispr Flow subscription. If you need to stop your Wispr Flow subscription, the process is fairly simple and can be done directly from inside the app. In this walkthrough, we'll show you exactly where to go so you can find the subscription controls quickly and understand what to expect once you get there. To begin, open the Wispr Flow app on your device. Make sure the app has fully loaded so that all menu options are visible and easy to access. If you're already signed in, you can move straight to the next part. This process is handled from within the application itself, so there's no need to search around in a browser or look through unrelated account pages. Once the app is open, look to the bottom left corner of the screen and click on Settings. This is where Wispr Flow keeps your account-related options, including billing and plan details. If you don't immediately notice it, take a moment to scan the lower left area carefully, since that's the starting point for managing your subscription. After opening Settings, click on Plans and Billing. This section contains the information related to your current subscription, including whether you're on a paid plan or using a free account. It's also the section you'll use if you want to make changes to your plan. When you arrive on the Plans and Billing page, this is where you can cancel your subscription. The exact option may appear as a cancellation button or a link related to managing your current plan. If you have an active paid subscription, this is the area where you would proceed with cancellation. In the example shown here, the account is currently on the free plan, so there isn't a paid subscription to cancel. That means you may see plan information without a cancellation option, and that's completely normal. If your account is also in the free version, no further action is needed. If you are paying for a subscription, this page is the place to review and cancel it. Before finishing, it's always a good idea to double check your current plan status on this page so you know whether your account is free or paid. That can help avoid confusion and make sure you're taking the right action. That's all it takes to locate the cancellation area in Wispr Flow. Thanks for following along, and we hope this helped you manage your subscription with confidence.